Hi friends, welcome back to EXCELMAP. This is Srinivas Reddy. In this video tutorial, we'll discuss about VLOOKUP with multiple columns. So friends, already in the previous sessions we discussed about VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. What are the arguments in the VLOOKUP? Completely we discussed. Now we'll discuss about VLOOKUP with multiple columns. Friends, before coming to this video session, you have to know what is VLOOKUP. If you don't know, please watch the video. Now I'm sharing the video link in the description part. Now we'll see what is VLOOKUP with multiple columns with an example. Here we can observe there are two sheets. One is source data and another one is like a multiple columns. In the multiple columns sheet, I want quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4 columns from the source data sheet. Here 7 columns are there like ID, product, customer, and from quarter 1 to quarter 4 there are 7 columns are there. In the multiple columns also already there are 3 columns. We need to pick these 4 columns like quarter 1 to quarter 4. So first of all, we'll take the data for the quarter 1 column by using VLOOKUP function. See here is equal to VLOOKUP. So already we know about this. There are 4 arguments in the VLOOKUP function. Those are lookup value, table array, column index number, and range lookup. First 3 arguments are required arguments, and the last argument range lookup is optional. That's what it placed inside the square bracket. Say lookup value, table array, column index number, compulsory we have to pass the arguments. Now we'll see lookup value for this 1008 ID table array. Go to the source data, select complete range from A colon J. It will select complete entire data till 10,48,576. That means it will goes to the end of the row for the A colon J columns. Now we selected table array, that is range. Now we have to give the column index number. So I'm asking there quarter 1 column. So where is the quarter 1 column? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a 4th column, 4th number. Actually it is in the D column, but a column index number means you have to mention the column number. So that is ID is 1st column, product is 2nd column, customer is 3rd column, and the quarter 1 is the 4th column. Will give 4. And if you want exact values, we'll go for 0. 0 means what? Exact match. 0 or false, it goes to the exact values, and close the bracket, then press enter. Now we got the result for the quarter 1 column like a quarter 2. See here quarter 1 column index number is what? 4, and quarter 2 5, quarter 3 6, quarter 4 7. Like this we have to write 4 formulas. If there are 10 columns, we have to write 10 VLOOKUPs. It takes more time and it's a lengthy process writing 10 formulas or 20 formulas in a single sheet for different columns. So it takes more time and it is also a lengthy process. So instead of that, instead of writing multiple VLOOKUPs for different column index numbers, we'll write single formula. So that is called VLOOKUP with multiple columns. Means at a time we'll take multiple columns data into the sheet based on the column index numbers. That is called VLOOKUP with multiple columns. Same again we'll do. I'm deleting this data, and first of all just listen carefully. We have to select the cells. So what are the columns you wanted to extract? Select those cells from left to right. See, select left to right. So after selecting, see already the first cells of every column was selected. After selecting again, if you are selecting this, see the selection was gone. Don't do like this. Select it, drag towards right, means we are selecting from left to right. So after selecting, just leave it and type is equal to, see still the selection is there, then only this formula will works. Is equal to VLOOKUP. So what is the lookup value? Same process, 1008, that is A2 cell, comma, go to table array. Table array means same like go to source data. Here again just we have to select a complete range. Just you have to follow the instructions how I'm doing, because see I'm not going to again into other sheets. Just I place it is equal in the multiple columns, and after selecting the lookup value and go to the source data, selecting the table array range now, comma. See, here we are not giving one column, here we are giving multiple columns. I'm taking open curly brace, flower bracket, we call it as curly brace. So this symbol will use for array symbol, array, A-R-R-A-Y, array. Array means group of elements, collection of elements. See here also, because we are taking multiple columns are there, 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, because I required 4 columns. So 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, close curly brace, comma 0. See, instead of giving one column index number, I am placing inside the curly braces multiple column numbers instead of column index number. Now, don't press enter directly. Don't press enter. See, after completion of the formula, after closed bracket, press Control plus Shift plus enter. Control plus Shift plus enter. See, now we got 4 columns data. Now place the cursor in the corner, just double click. See, now we got the result for the 4 columns at a time. Instead of writing 4 formulas, I did for single formula. See, we used only one formula. See here, is equal to VLOOKUP, lookup value in the source data from A colon J, and instead of column index number, we are taking inside the curly braces 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 0, bracket close. After that, just you have to press Control plus Shift plus enter. So friends, this kind of formulas are very important in our real-time scenarios. It saves a lot of time. Instead of writing multiple VLOOKUPs, we'll write a single VLOOKUP to extract multiple columns data. Thank you friends for watching this video. Share these videos to your friends.